Thanks. I just wanted to chase up a reference of Dr. Alison Sutton, if you're up for it. You're quite sure she definitely left the country? No chance she changed her mind? Okay, no, must be my mistake.